So joining us is the team of Kyndryl with us right here at ETCIO Annual Conclave. Starting with you, ma'am, how is the event going on so far? What is your experience so far?
Hey, hi. So ETCIO is a flagship event Kyndryl associates with all through the year, and it is a privilege to host country's leading and most prestigious CIOs in the event. We meet them all along through the year, but meeting them at Goa, and they coming up to solve for business outcomes with them later in the year at their premise. It's wonderful. So it's nice, and always Goa is the best destination, and ET, of course, brings the best to the event. Yeah.
Moving to the second question, let's say, can you tell us about the global trends that you see that's emerging?
Absolutely. So we just came out of the trends for the Cloud 3.0. It's no longer anymore about why cloud, why not. It's about moving to cloud and now about living in cloud, and that's the era, and from moving from an SOA now to event-based architecture. So these are the trends, and more it will be for businesses to use cloud for their expansion, for value creation, not just for themselves, for their customers, and how the whole thing is coming together as a large valuable platform to associate with. Those are the trends: observability, Gen AI. Enough has been said, but Kyndryl is at the core of all of these themes to solve for customers' business priorities and help them come to the business outcome. So that's where we are.
And lastly, let's say if your product was a superhero, who would it be? If you can say that.
Yeah, I would definitely say it's Iron Man, because with technology adoption, you get superhuman strength, superhuman reflexes. So with all the solutions, Kyndryl is the infrastructure managed services partner. So we do end-to-end solutions, and there are a lot of offerings. So by becoming the technology partner, we give you that iron strength, full reflexes and strength to handle all the technology needs.
That's great. Thank you so much for talking to us. I hope you enjoy the evening.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for hosting us.